Tarot reading for the month of May for all the earth signs, Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo. The star card is telling you that there are certain visions and dreams that you have for the coming month and for this entire year. Actually, the time is now to work on them, in the sense that all the things that was stopping you, all those thoughts that were stopping you from making these dreams your reality, you have successfully learned the lessons that you need to learn. So there's no more learning now. So stop being in the loop of I need to learn more to actualize my dreams. In the month of May, you really need to remember this particular thing that I've just said, in a way that I'm also calling you out, because it's time that you reap rewards of all those learnings. For that, you need to build your sacred garden. You have learned how to love yourself a lot. Rest of it is only going to fall as you give yourself the justice that you deserve and give yourself the clarity, the balancing of acts in life that you deserve, rather than expecting somebody else to give you all of that, or the universe to give you all of that. Only you can give it to yourself. So start building the things that you want to build in the coming month. Lay the foundations, lay the bricks of it, overcome all the inner conflicts that come in the way. They're just blips of thoughts and blips of conflicts that can be something that you can rise above. Do the needful when it comes to sitting with yourself and rising above it, and continuing to take the actions that you need to take for your dreams. Sending you lots of love and lots of light.